Sir, this is my
So
completed
what you have completed?
world leaders.
Okay, completed na? You can complete it, no problem. But in class, what we'll do, we'll understand. Good
Okay,
morning.
sir.
We'll understand in detail.
Sir, then
Sir,
can I
I have also done. Sir, I have
check?
also done.
check?
Okay, okay. Not only the answer you have to write, you have to understand it, understand the chapter also. No?
Sir,
Understanding is very
in
important.
class means mine is completed. So can I check while you will tell?
Okay, okay. You can check. Those who have completed, you can
Okay,
check
sir.
the answer. And in class, what we'll do, you can write the answer before, no problem. But in class, we'll do in detail. We'll read in detail. हाँ, डिटेल में जानेंगे क्या है. Now, world leaders play an important role in the lives of all people. है ना, हमारे जो leaders हैं, they are having very important role in our life, है ना. They are they they are making the rules for us. They are doing, they are helping us, है ना, in a different way, directly or indirectly they are helping us. So they have the responsibility to ensuring the well-being of the people who elect them. So उनके पास responsibility होता है ना, हम लोग उन्हें elect करते हैं. We are choosing them by giving vote. By giving a vote, we are choosing them, and it's their responsibility to take care of their people. है ना?
That page.
Page number 33. So now match the photographs of these world leaders to their names and their countries. So few photographs are given. All of them are the world leaders, and you have to match with their correct name and with their correct countries. Name and countries. Now first one is A. What is the name of the person which is in A?
Sir,
Number A.
in half yearly, up to which will come?
Half yearly.
Yes, sir.
How much I have taught you, in that it will come. So I will give you. This is your first exam, right? ये पहला
Okay.
exam है ना?
Yes, sir. This is the first exam of GK.
Okay, so don't worry. I will give you very less chapters. Huh? What I have taught you only in between you will come. Now A number. Who is the person in A? Who is this person in one?
I tell.
A.
Shall I tell? So I tell.
Yes, number A. Number A. One person is there. Who is that leader?
Sir,
Just
Tell it.
three
A.
Justin through the. Sir, what is the pronunciation of three number?
Which number? Three number,
Three
na?
number.
Yes. It is number three. Anyone pronounce it? Anyone pronounce it?
Sir,
क्या होगा? What
just
will the pronounce?
Trudeau, like this.
Justin Trudeau. Trudeau. Justin Trudeau. So the name is Justin Trudeau, and which country?
Sir,
Sir,
Canada.
Sir, Canada.
Canada. Okay, it is Canada. Now, who is Justin Trudeau? Anyone tell me? He's a leader, but
Sir,
what is the, yes? कौन है वो? Justin Trudeau of Canada. Who is he?
sir, A number.
No, he is a number. But who is he? वो कौन है? Leader है, but there are so many types of leader ना. Leader is PM is also leader. President is also leader. CM is also leader. है ना? Chief Minister leader है. President leader है. PM leader है. तो बहुत सारे leaders है. Who is he? ये कौन है? कनाडा में ये कौन है? Who is this person in Canada?
Sir, I can
He is a
tell.
PM of.
Sir, I can tell.
Tell me.
Sir, Prime Minister.
Yes, he is the Prime Minister of Canada. Okay. From 2015, he is the Prime Minister of Canada, and still now he is the Prime Minister. So
Sir,
now second one.
Prime Minister of Canada.
Sir
What?
is also a politician.
Politician. PM means politician. है ना? All these are politics. So now second one. B. Who is the person in B? Who is the leader?
Sir, Jacob Zuma.
Jacob Zuma. Yes, it is Jacob Zuma. In which country?
Sir, South Africa.
South Africa. Who is he? Which leader? Okay, Orko, no problem. If you're not in home, if you have book, Orko, you have book with you?
No, sir.
No. So anyone send the book page? Anyone send the book page in group so that Orko can see because he is not
Sir?
home. He's outside.
Sir, I tell. Who?
Yes, yes. Anyone from the students
Sir,
send the
former
page
president.
in our group.
Sir, former president of Africa. Former president
Yes,
of South Africa.
yes. He is former president of South Africa. Yes, Dharya.
Sir, it is not allowed. They are showing that only admins can send the messages.
Okay, okay. Let me allow it. In art group, not in main group.
Sir, see.
Not in main group. Okay, art group. Art group is not. It is open. Art group is open.
Yes, sir,
Allowed for
art
all.
group is open.
So send in art group, not in main group. Okay. So who is Jacob Zuma is the former president of South Africa. What is the meaning of former president?
Yes, sir.
I am not in art group.
Yes, yes, in art group. What is the meaning of former president?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I am not in art group.
Any other student can send, no? Everyone is having books. So anyone take the picture.
Sir, I am also not in art group.
No, sir, I have book, but I not in art class.
Okay.
Sorry, art group.
Art group. No, okay, no problem. Any other students those who are having art group, they can send. Okay. So many students are there in art group. So those who are not in art group and want to join, you can send me hi from your number and I will send you the link of art group. Huh? Then you can join there. You can send your art activities, whatever you're doing in your home, anything related to GK also. That is not only art group, art and GK group. So what is the meaning of former
Sir,
president?
I have sent.
Okay. So those who don't have book, they can check that page. Now what is the meaning of former president?
What is the meaning of former president?
Yes, that I'm asking. Let me ask. Let me, if any student know. Anyone know what is meaning of former president? Former president means who was in that post before, but now he's not that. He's not in that post. Okay, means the previous president. Previous or old president, हाँ? जो पहले थे, अभी नहीं है. Means someone has taken his place. Someone new president was there. That's why he's called former president.
Sir,
Now the
please tell. I can't hear.
former president means former president means the president who is not in that post now, but before he was in that post. But now
Okay,
he is
sir.
not in that post. Okay, अभी वो
What
नहीं.
is the meaning of politician?
Politician means those who are in politics. Everyone is politician, ना? PM, CM, everything is politician. जो भी हम वोट करते हैं जिनको सब कोई politician है ना, whatever person we are electing in by giving our vote, everyone is politician. है ना? CM होते हैं, PM होते हैं, president, everyone is politician.
Yes, sir.
MP, MLA, है ना? Member of legislation, member of parliament. So everyone is politician. जितने भी नेता होते हैं ना, जितने भी नेता होते हैं, हर नेता को हम लोग politician बोलते हैं. Politician means जो नेता होते हैं. So now number C. Who is the person in C?
Sir, Shinzo Abe.
Shinzo Abe. हाँ. Which country?
Japan.
Shinzo
By
Abe,
looking,
Japan.
by looking the face, we can understand either Japan or China. So, who is this person? Shinzo Abe.
Shinzo Abe from Japan.
Who is this person?
Sir, former prime minister.
Yes, former prime minister means he was the prime minister, but not now. He was the former prime minister. Prime minister थे, but अभी नहीं है ना? Now who is the prime minister? You know, of Japan. Who is the prime minister of in 2021? I think he was there Shinzo was there up to 2020. 2020 तक वो थे. But in 2021 there was a new prime minister. The name is Yoshihide Suga. A difficult name, Yoshihide Suga. So he is the new prime minister of Japan. Now D number. Who is that lady in D number?
Sir, now the Prime Minister is Yoshihide Suga.
Yoshihide Suga.
Sir, it is Angela Merkel.
Angela Merkel.
Angela Merkel.
Which country? Which country?
Sir, Germany.
Sir, she is from Germany.
Yes, this is Angela Merkel from Germany. Now who is she?
Sir,
Who is she?
Chancellor of Germany.
Chancellor of Germany. The Chancellor of Germany. Now, last one, E number. Who is that lady in the last E?
Sir,
Sir, Janika Arden.
Sir, Janika Ardern.
Sir, from New Zealand.
I think Jacinda.
New Zealand.
Not Janika. Jacinda Ardern. Ardern. Jacinda Ardern. Which country?
New Zealand.
Sir, New Zealand.
Who is
Sir, New
she?
Zealand.
Sir,
Who is
President of New
Sir,
Zealand.
she is New Zealand politician.
Sir,
But which
President.
politician?
Sir, President of New Zealand.
The 40th Prime Minister of New Zealand.
Not President, Prime Minister. Prime Minister of New Zealand. And still now she is a Prime Minister. ना? अभी भी वो Prime Minister in 2021 also. Recent Prime Minister of New Zealand is Jacinda Ardern. So now this chapter is complete. Next one, 34. Open page number 34. Indian moves. What is the time? What time is so much time is it? Okay, so next chapter is Indian moves. Our
Sir,
classical
next
dance.
2 pages.
So what
20.
is going on, sir? Please tell me.
Who? Devika.
Devika. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have joined now.
Yes, sir.
Why late? Okay, don't be late. Only 5 minutes you can. It is okay, but now it is 15 minutes. No, it is now it is 20 minutes. So open page number 34.
Okay,
Page
sir.
number 34 of GK book. Now India moves. Our classical dance forms are almost the most ancient in the world. हमारे जो classical dance है, they most ancient मतलब बहुत पुराना है वो, है ना? In the world में बहुत ज़्यादा पुराना है world में. And loved and appreciated even outside India. And even outside the India, it is being appreciated by other people. है ना? बाहर लोग भी बाहर countries भी लोग appreciate करते हैं. Whenever they see our classical forms, classical dance forms. So it is a type of classical dance form. है ना? One more form is there, ना? One more dance form is there. Anyone know what is the name of that dance form? एक और dance form है ना? Classical dance and one more dance form is there.
Sir, Bharatnatyam.
Bharatanatyam.
No, not name, form, dance form. It is a name. है ना?
Sir, folk.
ये नेम है, ठीक है? नाम मतलब क्या? जैसे क्लासिकल डांस के अंदर बहुत सारा डांस आता है, भरतनाट्यम, कचिपुरम और भी क्या बहुत सारे डांस है ना, जैसे
Sir, folk dance.
यस, फोक डांस. क्लासिकल डांस इज अ टाइप ऑफ फॉर्म
Folk dance.
एंड उसी तरीके से एक और फॉर्म है दैट इज फोक डांस. फोक डांस भी एक फॉर्म है ना, इसके अंदर बहुत सारा डांस आता है. सो इन पेज नंबर 35 यू कैन सी, पेज नंबर 35 वॉट एवर नेम्स आर देयर ऑल दोज आर क्लासिकल फॉर्म्स. भरतनाट्यम है, कथकली है, कचिपुड़ी, कथक, मणिपुरी, उड़ीसी, all these are classical dance form. So many dances are there in classical dance form. And in folk dance, anyone can tell me which type of dance are there in folk dance? Folk dance में कौन-कौन सा dance आता है? Any one or two?
Sir,
Anyone?
what? Please tell
Sir,
us.
ballet.
Ballet. Listen, folk, पहले मुझे बताओ व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन क्लासिकल एंड फोक डांस, क्या डिफरेंस होता है? क्लासिकल डांस हम लोग किसे बोलते हैं और फोक डांस किसे बोलते हैं? Then you can understand. If you know the difference, then you can understand which type of dance form will come in classical and in which type of form will come in form.
Classical
Folk
and
dance.
old dance, like old generation dance.
Both are old. Classical are also old. Folk are also old. Both the dance are old. Look, the difference is, क्या difference है? Classical dance are done by professionals. जो प्रोफेशनल होते हैं वो लोग डांस करते हैं. जैसे हम लोग, जैसे मैं डांस नहीं कर सकता क्लासिकल, है ना, मैंने सीखा नहीं, आई एम नॉट प्रोफेशनल. वो लोग सीखते हैं, दे गिव टाइम, दे हैव डन सो मेनी कोर्सेज, है ना, वो लोग कोर्स करते हैं, वो लोग सीखते हैं, दे ज्वाइन द कॉलेजेस, दे डन ट्रेनिंग अंडर प्रोफेशनल्स, so they can do classical dance because this is a very difficult dance, so we need training for that. But folk dance क्या होता है? We don't need training for that. These are done by unprofessional also, है ना, unprofessional भी कर सकते हैं. जैसे क्या क्या होता है, जैसे भांगड़ा. भांगड़ा कौन करता है? पंजाबी लोग करते हैं. तो तुम सीखोगे 10 दिन में तुम भी कर सकते हो ना, इफ यू, बट क्लासिकल डांस 10 दिन में नहीं कर सकते. इट नीड्स अ ईयर फॉर अ गेट, सो मेनी ईयर्स टू गेट ट्रेनिंग, प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग, है ना. फिर फोक डांस क्या होता है? जैसे बाउल डांस. बाउल डांस is also folk dance, so it doesn't need professional for बाउल डांस. बंगाल में देखना बाउल डांस होता है. डांडिया डांस, इट इज ऑल्सो फोक डांस. डांडिया भी बहुत लोग कर सकते हैं ना, तुम 10 दिन सीख लोगे तुम डांडिया सीख जाओगे. बट क्लासिकल डांस नीड्स,
in chatbox, India moves.
यस
Answer. Sir, I send this Indian MOOC chapter question answer in chat box.
okay, no need to write, no need to write, just answer. I'm asking the question, then you can answer, huh? No need to write. So this is the difference between folk dance and classical dance. Folk dance is done by professional and classical dance is done by professional and folk dance is done by unprofessionals also. So जैसे हम लोग, what is for folk dance? Folk dance जो हमारे ट्रेडिशन, हमारे कल्चर को दिखाता है. जैसे पंजाबी का कल्चर भांगड़ा दिखाता है, बाउल कल्चर बंगाल को दिखाता है ना. So it depends, it shows our culture and tradition. फोक डांस हमारे कल्चर, हमारे ट्रेडिशन को शो करता है. बंगाल में बाउल डांस होगा, सब बोलेंगे बंगाल का ही डांस. भांगड़ा होगा, वी ऑलवेज से इट इज फ्रॉम पंजाब, है ना. सो इट शोज द कल्चर ऑफ पंजाब, इट शोज द कल्चर ऑफ बंगाल. डांडिया होगा तो बोलेगा गुजरात, है ना. तो इट शोज योर कल्चर. बट क्लासिकल डांस कल्चर नहीं शो करता, इट शोज द प्रोफेशनल एंड ट्रेन डांसर्स. नाउ हियर आर सम परफॉर्मर्स, बहुत फेमस परफॉर्मर्स का पिक्चर दिया है, परफॉर्मर्स, एंड देयर नेम इज ऑल्सो गिवन. यू हैव टू राइट from which field they are, वो कौन से फील्ड से हैं, which dance form they used to do. Now Kelucharan Mohapatra, he's from which form?
Sir, Odisha.
Sir, Odissi.
Odissi. So Odissi is also a classical dance form, है ना. Odissi जो है classical dance form है, and he is a professional. The name of the professional is Kelucharan Mohapatra. Now next one is Brij Mohan Mishra.
Sir, Kathak.
Yes, Kathak. So all these are names that you are telling, all these are classical form, है ना. जितना भी नाम है सारा classical form है. Third one is, all of you write, write accordingly, you have to write in your book. Third one is
Bharatnatyam.
Bharatnatyam.
yes, pronounce the name. Pronounce the name.
Bharatnatyam.
Rukmini Dev
Arundale. Rukmini Devi Arundale. Bharatnatyam. Now fourth one is
Sir, Kuchipudi.
Kuchipudi Radha Reddy.
Nam Coach. Sir, Kuchipudi.
Kuchipudi Radha Reddy.
Kathakali.
Now pronounce the 5 number. Pronounce the 5 number.
Sir, Kapkal, Chatmuni, Panikar, Kathakali.
Kabungal, Chatmuni, Panikar. Kabungal, Chatmuni, Panikar. He is from Kathakali.
Kathakali.
Now the last one is Bipin Singh.
Bipin Singh.
Panipuri. सर पानी मणिपुरी
Not Panipuri. Manipuri.
मणिपुरी
Manipuri. Not Panipuri. Manipuri. Okay, now next page. The same chapter is there in the next page, 35 number. So match these photographs of classical dance forms. These are also classical dance. Huh? In previous chapter we have in previous page, all those are classical dance and these are also classical dance in page number 35. Now you have to dance forms of their name and the state they come from. You have to match the dance form and the state. कौन सा डांस फॉर्म कौन से स्टेट से है ना ऑल द डिफरेंट डांस फॉर्म इज फ्रॉम डिफरेंट स्टेट ना अलग अलग डांस फॉर्म अलग अलग स्टेट से आता है उड़ीसा से आया है ना सो लाइक दिस so many dance forms are there with from different states folk डांस भी डिफरेंट जगह का होता है वैसे ही क्लासिकल डांस भी डिफरेंट स्टेट का होता है ए नंबर
कथकली केरला
कथकली
Sir, remember
केरला यस
A number, then Kerala.
नाट्यम
so the name is Kathakali and the state will be Kerala. So now the next one B.
सर भरतनाट्यम
भरतनाट्यम तमिलनाडु
तमिलनाडु
Bharatnatyam. Yes, Bharatnatyam. The name is Bharatnatyam and the state will be Tamil Nadu. So remember all this. हाँ मैं picture नहीं दूंगा. In exam the picture will not be there. Picture can be there but नहीं भी हो सकता है ना. I can give only the name also. I can ask you Bharatnatyam is from which state, or I can ask you in Odisha which classical form dance is there. I can ask you in Manipur which dance form is there. So like this I can ask you and picture will be there or it cannot be there. ना हो भी सकता है नहीं भी हो सकता है. So practice like this. Now C number.
सर मणिपुरी सी मणिपुरी सी मणिपुरी
Then
हाँ.
मणिपुर
आंध्र प्रदेश
Yes.
तेलंगाना
sir, Kuchipudi D
आंध्र
number.
प्रदेश एंड तेलंगाना
Listen. So C number is Manipuri. By looking the dress you can understand ना देखो ऐसा dress just remember the dress है ना कैसा dress कौन से फॉर्म में होता है ये C number जो है एक जो dress है वो dress मणिपुरी का है always remember that this is the dress of Manipuri and Manipuri means Manipuri कहाँ से आया है मणिपुर से आया है it's very easy because both the name is same ये याद रहेगा ना ये भूलोगे नहीं मणिपुर से आया है now number D
सर 3 कुचिपुड़ी डी आंध्र प्रदेश एंड तेलंगाना
हाँ so it is the dance form Kuchipudi and from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana ये दो स्टेट से आया है whenever you visit this state you can see this dance very easily है ना हमारे यहाँ उतने easy नहीं देख पाओगे but when you visit this state you can see this dance form very easily जैसे हमारे यहाँ तुम बाउल देख सकते हो बहुत इजीली ना बाउल हम लोग बहुत इजीली मिल जाता है हर जगह मिल जाता है ना बट बाकी डांस फॉर्म इतना इजीली नहीं मिलेगा नाउ द ई नंबर
सर उड़ीसी उड़ीसा
उड़ीसी एंड उड़ीसा दिस इज आल्सो वेरी इजी है ना
उड़ीसी उड़ीसा
यस उड़ीसी उड़ीसा
सर
दिस इज आल्सो
उड़ीसी
वेरी इजी
उड़ीसा
हाँ
Sir,
यस धनवी okay so it is also very easy because Udisi is coming from Odisha because name is same both the name is same now last number F
सर कथक एंड उत्तर प्रदेश
yes Kathak and UP Kathak is from UP Kathak is from UP
my number is not matching. You are doing 35 number page.
yes 35 number page
One number
Yep.
will be B number now.
one number yes one number B Bharatnatyam B and in Tamil Nadu
Okay,
B and
sir.
Tamil Nadu match it because all the answers are there no problem will be there answers are there in your book you can write the answer only have to understand in class ठीक है 1 3 6 2 A and 3 Kerala. Okay, like this you have to match. So today is only up to this, up to 35. From next class we'll start 36 numbers. 36 numbers, so many tales are there, so many stories are there, and very small part of the story is given, and you have to understand. You have to find out the name, find out some character of the story. So before that, you have to know the stories. है ना बहुत सारे stories है, famous stories. You have to know the stories. So you can do one thing. You can watch the stories in YouTube. जैसे देखो Alibaba. Alibaba is a story. You can see the story in YouTube. One more story is there. Tom Sawyer. This is also a story. Charlie and Chocolate Factory. This is also a story. Jungle Book. It is also a story. So all the stories you can find out in your YouTube and you can watch these videos. Huh? Then it will be very easy in next class. ठीक है? Next class में फिर easy होगा. You can answer it. You can understand it very easily if you see these stories.
My number.
Yes, Dharya.
I have given you my number
For what?
for the art class to join.
No need to give me the number. Just from your number, just send me hi. Okay, so I will get your number and I will send you the link in that number. ठीक है, सिर्फ hi भेजो, मैं link भेज दूँगा. You need to send me the number. Send me hi, I will get your number. ठीक है, just wait. Let me take the attendance. Wait. Yes, it's done. Okay, now all of you, bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Sir, where the story? I not getting the story.
Bye.
What, Deborina?
Bye, sir.
Nothing,
Bye.
sir. Nothing, sir.
Okay. Okay then, bye.